Have you ever wondered why some plants stay green and healthy even during hot summer days, while others begin to fade? Today I'll show you a simple homemade plant tonic using one common kitchen ingredient. Fill a jug with 1 liter of water and add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Coriander naturally contains magnesium, a nutrient that helps plants produce chlorophyll, supporting greener leaves and healthy growth. Stir the mixture well, then let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, strain the liquid and pour it into 2 more liters of clean water, making 3 liters of a gentle natural fertilizer. Apply it only to moist soil around flowering plants, vegetables, indoor plants, fruit trees, shade trees, and ornamental plants. Avoid pouring it directly onto the leaves. Magnesium helps support healthy green foliage, stronger stems, efficient photosynthesis, and may improve flowering and fruit development. It can also help reduce yellowing leaves when caused by magnesium deficiency. For best results, use this fertilizer once every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Remember, moderation is important. Healthy plants need balanced nutrition, not excessive feeding. Give this simple recipe a try and enjoy greener, healthier plants. Happy gardening.